Did you know you could earn over $40 an hour sitting from the comfort of your own home? Now, before you go clicking off, we're not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme, but actual remote jobs. These jobs have actually been around for quite some time, but it really wasn't until recently that employers started allowing them to be remote. Now, all these positions I'm about to tell you are all entry-level jobs. Most don't require a degree, and you can get started right away with very little experience. So diving right on into our first job we have is IT support specialist. An IT support specialist provides technical assistance and support to computer systems, hardware, and software. This position is often acting as the first line of defense when technical issues arise. In this entry-level role, you will tackle a broad range of technical problems, ensuring that employees have the resources and support they need to work efficiently. Now, these specialists are responsible for installing, configuring, and maintaining computer systems and networks. They troubleshoot hardware and software issues and provide technical assistance and offer support for various IT-related inquiries. A strong understanding of computer systems, networks, and software applications is definitely beneficial for an IT support specialist. One thing you will absolutely need to have is excellent problem-solving skills to diagnose and resolve technical issues quickly. Communication skills are another key skill, as they are often needed to explain concepts in simple terms to non-technical users. Daily activities might include setting up a new user account, performing system updates, and ensuring the security of computer systems. IT support specialists also document processes and maintain records of issues and resolutions, contributing to the knowledge base of their IT department. Now, salaries for IT support specialists can vary widely, but in the United States, an entry-level position typically ranges from $40,000 to $60,000 a year, depending on the company, location, and the individual's qualifications. Career progression for IT support specialists can lead to more advanced technical roles, such as network administrator, system administrator, or IT manager. Some may also choose to specialize in other areas like cybersecurity or cloud computing. IT support specialist was actually the first position I landed when I got into the tech field. When I was originally offered my position, I had no certifications, no prior work experience. I was a bulldozer operator when I decided to get into tech. And to top it all off, I was a college dropout. Yet I was still able to land this job and progress up the career ladder. Now, the next position I'm going to talk about is QA testers. A quality assurance tester plays a crucial role in the software or website development process, focusing on identifying issues and ensuring that the final product is free from defects. Their work is vital to providing end users with a reliable and an efficient experience. The primary task of a QA tester is to create and execute test cases based on software requirements and specifications. These processes involve both manual testing, where the tester is actually using the software to find unexpected behavior and bugs, and automated testing, where they actually write scripts to automate repetitive tasks, but necessary testing tasks. Automated testing helps improve the efficiency and accuracy of the testing process. Identifying and documenting bugs is a central part of a QA tester's job. They need to provide a clear and detailed reports to the development team, helping them understand the issues and finding a solution. This process actually requires really strong communication skills, as well as patience and attention to detail. Regression testing ensures that new updates and features don't introduce new bugs or break existing functionality. Performance testing checks that software can handle the expected workload, and user experience testing ensures that the product is easy to use and meets the customer's expectations. QA testers often work closely with the software developers and understand the product's technical specifications and help catch issues early in the development process. The critical analysis actually helps improve the product's quality, leading to a better user experience and more reliable product. All right, so our next position we're going to talk about is an entry-level computer programmer. Entry-level computer programmer is one of the first jobs in the software development world, turning concepts and design into functional computer applications and systems. Their work is actually laying the groundwork for creating software that meets both user needs and business objectives. At this level, programmers often start by writing simpler pieces of code, fixing bugs, and gradually taking on more complex tasks as they gain experience. They usually work under the supervision of more experienced developers, receiving guidance, mentorship to really hone their skills. The day-to-day tasks may include writing and testing code, debugging programs, and often collaborating with other team members to plan and develop software. Proficiencies in programming languages such as Java, Python, C++ is crucial, and understanding software development methodologies like Agile can really be beneficial. A strong problem-solving skills are a must, as an entry-level programmer needs to be able to think through challenges and come up with efficient and different solutions to problems. Attention to detail is also really important to ensure that the code is error-free and meets the project's requirements. Now, the salary for entry-level programming positions varies based on location, industry, and really the specific programming language used. However, it generally ranges from $50,000 to $70,000 a year here in the United States. As for career progression, entry-level programmers have numerous paths they can take. With experience, they may develop into a more senior development role or specialize in areas such as web development or machine learning, or transition into a management level role. Okay, so the next position we're going to talk about is technical writer. Entry-level technical writers play a critical role in bridging the gap between complex technical information and a clear, accessible understanding for the end user. They create documentation, user guides, manuals, and online help systems that make technical products usable. In this role, you can expect to work closely with product managers, engineers, and other professionals to understand their products and translate them into technical information in a user-friendly context. This could include writing how-to guides, FAQs, and support articles. Key skills for an entry-level technical writer include a strong writing and communication ability, attention to detail, and the ability to grasp complex technical issues quickly. Familiarity with various documentation tools and software is also very beneficial. The day-to-day work involves gathering information from subject matter experts, organizing content logically, and ensuring documentation is clear, concise, and user-centric. It also includes revising, editing, and updating existing documentation as the products evolve. Salaries for an entry-level technical writer position can vary widely based on many factors such as location, industry, the individual's educational background, but here in the US, entry-level technical writers can expect to earn anywhere from $40,000 to $60,000 a year. Now, the most common career progression for technical writers can lead to a senior writer position, managing documentation and projects, or specialize in an area like API documentation or instructional design. Next, we have Cloud Support Associate. Now, Cloud Support Associates hold a vital position in the realm of cloud computing, offering assistance and technical guidance to customers using their cloud services. In this entry-level role, they address a variety of technical issues, helping customers navigate through issues and optimize their use of cloud resources. These associates need to have a strong understanding of the cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure, or GCP. They work on resolving issues to cloud services, infrastructure, applications, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience for users. Communication skills are vital for a cloud support associate, as they are interacting with customers on a daily basis, providing clear and concise solutions to technical problems. They also collaborate closely with engineers and other technical teams to escalate unresolved issues and contribute to the knowledge base by documenting common issues for their solutions. Now, daily responsibilities include troubleshooting, problem solving, responding to customer inquiries, and maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction. Having foundational knowledge of networking, operations systems, and security practices in a cloud environment is really essential for this position. Salaries for an entry-level cloud support role can vary, but in the US, you can typically expect to make anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000 a year, depending on the company's location. With experience, cloud support associates can progress into more senior level roles like a senior technical support role, or specialize in specific cloud services or solutions, or they can eventually transition into a cloud engineer or architect position. Now, the next position I'm going to talk about is a junior web developer. Now, a junior web developer embarks on their coding journey with enthusiasm, taking on challenges to transform their design ideas into a functional website and application. Now, in this entry-level position, they will work under the guidance of a senior developer, learning the ropes of web development and coding practices. Their day-to-day tasks involve writing and testing code, debugging issues, and collaborating with designers to bring their website concepts to life. They most commonly work in programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and maybe some PHP. They also may be introduced to some server-side languages and frameworks depending on the different job requirements of that position. Again, with this position, keeping an eye for detail is crucial in this role, as even small coding errors can lead to website issues. Junior web developers need to be a problem solver, ready to tackle challenges and find efficient solutions. They also need to have good communication skills, as explaining technical aspects to non-technical team members is often part of the job. Given the fast-paced nature of this tech industry, a willingness to continuously learn and adapt is vital. Junior web developers should be proactive in keeping their skills up to date and being ready to embrace new technologies and development practices. In terms of salary, an entry-level web developer position here in the US can range anywhere from $40,000 to $70,000 a year, really depending on the location, the company, and your individual set of skills. As you gain skills, junior web developers have various paths of career progression. They can progress into a more senior developer role, specialize in front-end or back-end development, or even transition into a full stack development position. Now, I probably don't need to tell you that landing a remote position is typically much more difficult than landing your standard in-person position. But with that said, there are several things you can do to make yourself stand out from the crowd. One of the easiest things you can do is start studying for the appropriate IT certifications. But with thousands of different certifications out there, what are the right ones you need to start studying for? Well, in this video on the screen, I talk about what I think are some of the top entry-level certifications that you should be considering if you're looking to land or advance your career in the tech field. So make sure and go check out this video next. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, keep learning.